My dog, Charlie. This is Charlie, y'all. She's the one that's always making the racket in the background when I'm trying to make these videos. But I love it because we're just enjoying our life. We're just enjoying the front porch while I do a little work. Let me show you. I use this phone. Sometimes I use a ring light. I probably need one today, but I'm on the porch. My iPad. And I do a few hours a day of income earning activities. What does that mean? That means I create these little videos. I do edit because I'm 60 and there's some fine lines that need to go away. I watch educational webinars. I listen to several coaches who are ahead of me. See, this is the beauty of a digital marketing journey. Look at it like a book. There are some that are on chapter 1, others are on chapter 10, others are on chapter 25, and we all help each other. That's called community. I'm in a community of over 50,000 digital marketers. There is not a question or an experience out there that I can't go to that community with and get direct answers and clarity on what I need. Started this business at 60. I knew nothing about it. I knew nothing about digital marketing. And it's amazing. What is it? Okay, almost everything we do is online. We buy, we sell, we shop, we educate, we do our daily devotions. I mean, think about it. You're scrolling right now. Why not promote your business? Why not promote this business and make 100% profit with just a few hours a day of income earning activities? The system is simplified. It is a step-by-step blueprint. Everything that you're taught. Practice and hone your video skills. It's not hard. And before you know it, you're going to be connecting with an audience of people who are just like you. Maybe a little younger, maybe a little older. They're in your situation and they want what you want. They need what you need. See, I needed to leave a commission sales job to stop chasing leads, customers, and commissions. I was just burned out, tired, and stressed out. I really wanted to slow down. I really wanted to just earn income from my home, play in my garden, enjoy my life with my family. And I get to do that now. It's an online business. I know you're going to want more information. And I have videos and I have emails that I can send to you. Go to the link in my bio and enter a good email address or thedailybreadsystem.com. See, that's the other beautiful part about this. I don't have to message anybody. I don't have to pester my friends, family, customers, or audience. If someone in your audience is really interested, great. You make 100% profit. And if they're not, they simply unsubscribe. The automated emails do the heavy lifting in the background for you. I don't have to sell anything. I just share this fabulous opportunity from my porch with my dog, who's usually making noise in the background. I love it, and I think you will too.